So this video is for my young viewers, especially who are giving their 12th and 10th standard exams.
पढ़ बेटा पढ़ बेटा पढ़ एग्जाम अच्छे से कर ले पढ़ बेटा पढ़ बेटा पढ़ एग्जाम अच्छे से कर ले.
Hello everyone, this is Cal, your pal. So today's video is going to be a short message for all those students who are giving your 12th and 10th standard exams, and this is a totally unscripted video. I have not written anything. I am going to talk everything from my heart, ekdam dil se. So I understand that in India academics is given a lot of importance, studies, top karo, science chunna hai, engineer bano, doctor bano. Now the craze is about MBAs, and yeah, we do have now different boards like CBSE, ICSE. Earlier we had more of SSE and vernacular medium, English medium, Hindi medium. That was there, Now, yeah, we do have an expensive education system, and I just get almost a heart attack when I hear that my nephew has to pay this much for a play school admission, and this much is the fees, this much is the donation, and I'm like, he's just going to go and play there or learn a few things, and which he can probably do at home also. But just saying, I'm sure like play school is also about mingling and talking and learning to be social, which again I have a problem with. I'm like, why should a kid be forced to do this and become like that, become a leader, bloody fucking become the next US president or Indian prime minister? Let the kid just be a kid, enjoy his childhood. Anyway, coming back to the topic, yes, I understand that you guys and girls must be going through a lot of pressure, and your parents must be more hyper than you yourself are. Even agar you would be like, nahi meri padhai ho gayi hai, mera revision ho gaya hai, or you have done theek thak studies and you're like, oh my god, itna mil jaye, pass ho jao, second class mil jaye, first class mil jaye, at least kahin pe to admission ho jayega. Now, I'm not against studies, or I'm not against people working really hard and being competitive and trying to get like 90%, 80% or whatever. I just want to say that what I don't like is some parents being really paranoid and actually scaring the kids so much. And all those promises, beta tujhe itna percentage aayega to I will give you this, or nahi mila to be ready to get out of the house or something. या फिर झाड़ू से पिटाई के लिए तैयार हो जाओ. A lot of kids really go through a lot of pressure, and a lot of kids even commit suicide or try to commit suicide or go through depression and have mental breakdown. All I want to say is, whether you are really intelligent, whether you are an average student, whether you are above average, and you know that you will get at least 75%, you know that you'll aram se get a first class. What I want to say is that studies don't determine your future. It is just an exam. You will get many more chances to prove yourself. Yes, it is important here. It depends on what kind of stream you have to choose, arts, commerce, science. So all that depends on your score. But don't get pressurized by anyone around you. अब जो पढ़ाई की है वही you would be ready for it. Last minute पे it's not going to happen like suddenly कुछ miracle हो जाएगा and you will be like getting a 90% even if you haven't prepared. So जितना पढ़ा है उतना revise कर लो and stop getting too pressured. And गलती से ऐसा हो भी गया कि you fail, it's okay. You can study much more harder next year. Now, since I'm from a creative field, I don't know how it works out there in the corporate world and all. I've heard that you need a lot of degrees these days. आजकल graduate होके भी कुछ नहीं मिलता. Don't listen to everyone. Do what you want to. If any parents are watching my video and if any students are watching my video, please show this video to your parents. I want them to understand that 12th और 10th की एग्जाम इज नॉट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. अगर आपका बेटा अगर 90% नहीं ला रहा है और शर्मा जी का बेटा 97% ला रहा है, just understand that every student is different, every kid is different. हर किसी का इंटेलिजेंस लेवल, IQ लेवल इज डिफरेंट. तो अगर कोई बच्चा डॉक्टर बनने के लिए उतना IQ है उसके पास, या ही इज़ रियली गुड एट साइंस, तो ठीक है. पहली बात, आपके पास उतने पैसे भी होने चाहिए मेडिकल में जाने के लिए, तो ये हमेशा याद रखना. और अगर कल को आपका बेटा इंजीनियर या डॉक्टर नहीं बन पाया तो इट्स ओके, कुछ ना कुछ तो बन ही जाएगा. डोंट वरी, देयर इज ऑलवेज अ नेक्स्ट टाइम. आई थिंक पेरेंट्स एंड ऑल यू स्टूडेंट्स शुड स्टॉप वरिंग कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, व्हाट माय फ्रेंड्स विल से एंड ऑल दैट. यस, देयर इज दिस societal pressure है, but you should stop worrying about others, and the parents should be encouraging, the parents should be not too paranoid and accept कर लीजिए कि हाँ ये चीज़ हो गई है तो उसको हम सुधार कैसे सकते हैं, to study once again and pass with better score. Another thing I want to say is if you feel like you're going through depression, you are really losing it, there is definitely helpline which help such de-stressed students. I'll post the link. अगर ऐसी कुछ helpline है तो अगर मुझे गूगल में मिलता है तो I'll definitely post it in the description. एक रिक्वेस्ट है पेरेंट्स से भी, प्लीज़ आप प्रेशर मत डालिए अपने बच्चों पे. दिस इज़ नॉट दी अल्टीमेट टेस्ट कि इस बच्चे की कैपेबिलिटी कितनी है. पढ़ाई से, मगअप करने से, हर एक हिस्ट्री में क्या क्या हुआ डेट्स याद रखने से, या फिर अलजेब्रा का थियरम बराबर लिखने से या समझने से. मुझे तो आज तक जियोमेट्री का भी समझ में भी नहीं आया. आई यूज्ड टू मग अप दोज theorems, right? I don't know what it was. I seriously could not understand even after being taught 10 times. So आगे चल के आपका बेटा क्या बनेगा, कैसे सक्सेसफुल होगा, ये सब सोचने से अभी क्यों उनकी लाइफ बर्बाद करनी है, या अभी क्यों उनका सुख चैन छीनना है. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ये उनके डेस्टिनी पे या उनकी मेहनत पे या वट एवर दे आर केपेबल ऑफ, दे विल बी एबल टू डू इट. सो एग्जाम्स don't really decide your future. You have to find a way around it, कि आप किस चीज़ में अच्छे हो. आगे चल के आपके लिए आर्ट्स ठीक रहेगा या कॉमर्स ठीक रहेगा या साइंस ठीक रहेगा, अकॉर्डिंग टू द करियर यू वांट टू चूज़. ये मत देखिए कि शर्मा जी का बेटा क्या कर रहा है. आप अपने बच्चों के बारे में सोचिए. एंड ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो वॉचिंग दिस, प्लीज़ थिंक अबाउट द फ्यूचर, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ job you want to choose or what kind of work you want to do. And slowly as you get experience, जब आप खुद काम करेंगे, experience लेंगे, slowly and steadily you will be successful. Some people take a longer time to get successful and some people are maybe much more smarter. It requires a lot of, sometimes I feel it's not just about the talent. It's about networking, it's about sometimes doing chaploosi. So आप सब ये जब आप बाहर जाएंगे, काम करेंगे, लोगों से मिलेंगे, तब आपको पता चलेगा कि एक्चुअल दुनिया क्या है. और ये एग्ज़ाम्स का एक्चुअल प्रेशर तो कुछ भी नहीं था जो कि बाहर की दुनिया में when you go and work, when you deal with people, that is much more. And then you will realize that handling exams was so much more easier. School and college कुछ भी नहीं है. Handling people, different kinds of people. आप कभी एग्री नहीं करोगे किसी के सेंसिबिलिटीज से. आप कभी ऐसा लगेगा कि ये क्या बकवास कर रहा है, चूतिया. ऐसा लगेगा कि what the hell, he's so wrong, he's behaving in a wrong way. There'll always be these dilemmas कि मैं ये करूँ कि नहीं, मुझे ऐसा करना चाहिए या नहीं, मुझे चापलूसी करनी चाहिए या नहीं, कि मुझे सिर्फ टैलेंट पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना चाहिए. शुड आई जस्ट डू माई वर्क प्रॉपरली और शुड आई डू समथिंग एल्स टू प्लीज द बॉस. सो आई होप ऑल यू स्टूडेंट्स अंडरस्टैंड कि एग्जाम्स का प्रेशर कुछ भी नहीं है कंपेयर टू वॉट यू विल एक्चुअली फेस इन द रियल वर्ल्ड. सो जितना आपने पढ़ाई की है, रिविजन कीजिए, गो एंड जस्ट बिंदास गिव योर एग्जाम्स. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, फेल हो जाएंगे, फिर से बैठिए, दूसरों के बारे में सोचना बंद कीजिए, लोग क्या बोलेंगे, माँ बाप क्या बोलेंगे, सोसाइटी क्या बोलेगी. Just concentrate on giving a proper exam, good exam, and that's it. After that, it's all about the result. So that's it from me, folks. I hope you liked the video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment and let me know how you guys are coping with all the pressures, and I hope this video has helped you in some way. And please share this video with your friends, whoever is going through, all these tension and exam pressure. पेरेंट्स को वीडियो बताइए ताकि उन्हें समझ में आए अगर वो गलत कहीं पे कुछ कर रहे या सोच रहे या whatever बिहेव कर रहे. और आई जस्ट वांट टू थैंक ऑल माय सब्सक्राइबर्स, people who have watched my videos and not subscribed, but you actually watched it. If you have liked my videos, if you have commented on a few videos of mine, yeah, even if on one video, तो आपके कमेंट्स, व्यूज़ who are still there in the subscriber list, thank you so much for sticking around. And that's it. Please subscribe if you haven't. And all the best to all of you who are giving the 12th and 10th exams. And yes, this is the third video this week. I plan to make 3 videos a week now. I don't know how far I'll be successful with it, but I will make sure that मैं 3 videos का target बना के चलूँ. And if you want to check out my last video, it's somewhere here. So until next time, it's bye-bye from me. Take care.
कर ले आय हाय ये पढ़ाई, आय हाय ये पढ़ाई साली किसने बनाई, आय हाय ये पढ़ाई, आय हाय ये पढ़ाई, आय हाय ये पढ़ाई साली किसने बनाई, आय हाय ये पढ़ाई.